baby, watch your man out here. Tell me where he gone.
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on to share with you how to make those two lovely holiday decors for your home. So I have this tall vase here that I got from the local dollar store. Okay, I'm going to be using some of this painter's tape here and section off some sections on our vase. And now I'm going to be using some of this acrylic molding paste, and I'll be using these scalping tools to place it on our vase in the sections that we sectioned off. And it's very easy to do. We just scrape it on, going all the way around. And now that it's all done, I'm going to use just an ordinary comb and add some lines going down to add texture to our molding paste. There we go, we're all done with that. So now I'm just going to remove our painter's tape before the molding paste dries, and I'll be setting it aside for a few hours to dry. Our other DIY that I'll be doing the same thing, taping it off with some painter's tape, and then adding the molding paste to the section here that I left out. I'm just doing this step now because it takes some time to dry. So I'm doing both of our vases like this first, then we'll do the other part of our DIY. And again, adding texture with our comb. And I'll set both our pieces overnight to dry. Alright, so it's the next day and our molding paste is all nice and dry. So I'm going to come in with some red acrylic paint and paint over our molding paste. And the same thing again with our smaller vase. Just going to be painting it going all the way around, and then I will set both pieces aside to dry for a few hours. Okay, our paint is all dry. I did go in with a second coat of paint, and also I added some of this red glitter. So I'll be coming in with these spike bling from Beebeecraft, and I'm just going to be using some hot glue, and I'll be gluing it going around the bottom part of our vase. I just wanted to add that I added the glitter to the wet paint, the second coat of red paint that I added. I did not use any Mod Podge. I just added the glitter straight to the paint, and the paint holds in the glitter when it dries. And now that that's all done, I'll be coming in with some of this Glam silver chain, also from Beebeecraft. And I'm using some of our Gorilla Glue and placing it going around the top part of our vase. Now for the bottom piece, I have a little bit of the spike left over. So I'm just going to use some hot glue and gluing it going around the bottom part. And here's our two pieces. So I'm just going to use some Gorilla Glue and glue our two pieces together. And here is our finished look, our lovely candle holder. I like how it turned out. I think it looks lovely, and it makes a lovely holiday gift for this holiday season of 2022. I love how the molding paste adds texture to our decor and all the glam items that we use to spruce it up. I think they look lovely together. A lovely decor for your home or a gift for that special someone. for 2022. All right, everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of our candle holder DIY number 1.
Right now, 'cause I need a woman inside.
All right, now for our second vase, I did the same thing again. Went in with 2 coats of red paint, and then I added the red sparkles. And I'll be adding some of this Glam mirrored sheet here. I love it. This is beautiful. And I'll be using some hot glue to place it going around our vase.
I'm so vibey, I'm so vibing, we're just vibing. Yeah, we're just vibing. We're just vibing.
Okay, now that that's all done, I'm coming in with some of our Glam chain here from Beebeecraft, and I'll be using some more of the Gorilla Glue to glue it going around our vase. And here's our finished look. Our Glam vase. I love how it turned out. I love this mirrored sheet. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. And again, I love the texture of the molding base. And doesn't the red glitter just like adds so much color to the red paint? I love how it turned out. Here we go with some silver picks inside. I think it looks lovely. A beautiful piece of decor for this holiday season. And I'm loving the red. OMG, I think it's so beautiful. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's 2 DIYs. And I hope I have inspired you with 2 more Glam decors that you can make for your home for this holiday season. So that's all your girls got for you today. And I'd like to thank you so much for coming on and seeing the 2 DIYs. And I do hope you will give me a thumbs up for today's video. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.